Hey everyone! So let's dive into a simple but honestly pretty powerful idea. What if you could completely reset your entire day before it even really gets going, all in just the first 10 minutes after you wake up? Seriously, take a quick second and think about it. The moment your alarm goes off, what's the very next thing that happens? Is it a mad dash, a frantic scroll through your phone? How you answer that question pretty much sets the tone for your entire day. You see, most of us, we kind of live in a reactive morning. It's just this chain reaction, right? The alarm blares, stress kicks in, and we're rushing, feeling like we're already behind. But what if you could flip that and have a proactive morning instead? One that starts with just breathing, a little intentional movement, and some focus. The difference isn't about having more time, not at all. It's about the quality of that time. And that's exactly where this idea comes in. Think of it as your own personal daily reset button. It's a simple 10-minute flow that's designed to make that switch from reactive to proactive not just possible, but actually easy. So why even bother? What can 10 minutes really do for you? Well, let's get into the why of it all. The incredibly powerful benefits for both your mind and your body. What's so cool is how interconnected all these benefits are. For your body, you're easing out all that stiffness from sleeping, you're boosting your circulation to get fresh oxygen flowing to your brain, and you're setting up better posture for the whole day. And for your mind, this simple practice can genuinely reduce anxiety, sharpen your focus, and create this amazing sense of calm before the chaos of the day even has a chance to begin. And maybe the most relatable benefit of all, that natural energy boost? Yeah, that's right. Instead of just stumbling towards the coffee pot out of habit, this gentle movement wakes you up from the inside out. It's this clean, sustainable energy, not just a temporary jolt from a stimulant. And look, these effects don't just disappear after 10 minutes, not at all. When you start your day with this kind of intention, it creates this positive ripple effect. You'll probably find you have way better focus during your workday and, believe it or not, even more restful sleep at night. It's a tiny, tiny investment with a massive return. Okay, so we've covered the why. Now you're probably wondering, so what exactly is this 10-minute routine? Let's take a look inside the gentle flow itself. Don't worry, this isn't some complex, intimidating workout. It's actually this beautiful, really logical progression. You just start by centering yourself with your breath, then you move into some gentle spine stuff like cat-cow stretches, then onto some easy standing stretches, and you finish with just a moment of relaxation and gratitude. It's all designed to wake your body up system by system. And the goal here is so important. It's a full body awakening, but without any overwhelming intensity. This is not about pushing yourself to your limit. It's about gently greeting your body and mind and getting them ready for the day ahead. All right, this all sounds great in theory, right? But actually making it a real part of your life is what matters. So let's get practical. This next part is all about the how, the simple steps to get started and really make this routine your own. First off, who is this for? Well, honestly, it's for just about everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner, a super busy professional who thinks you don't have time, or anyone who just feels that achy morning stiffness. This is designed for you. And this is usually where that big question comes up. The number one thing that holds people back is that little voice saying, "But I'm not flexible enough to do that." Let me just be crystal clear on this. The answer is a huge, resounding no. You need zero experience and you absolutely do not need to be flexible. That's the whole philosophy here. This is a practice of showing up for yourself, not a performance that has to be perfect. The goal is not to touch your toes. The goal is to connect with your body. And look how simple the requirements are. It's almost nothing. A soft surface, a carpet is totally fine, some comfy clothes, a quiet little corner, and just 10 minutes. The barrier to entry here is practically zero. But here's the secret ingredient. The real magic? It doesn't happen in a simple session. Like any habit that actually matters, the power is all in the consistency. The transformation comes from that simple, repeated act of showing up for yourself, morning after morning. So here's a little challenge, an invitation really. Try it for 30 days. That's the goal. 30 days is really enough time to get past that new routine feeling and start to experience the deep, lasting benefits for yourself. Which brings us to our final and maybe the most important section. Because beyond all the physical movements and the mental benefits, there's a much deeper philosophy at play here. The simple, profound power of just showing up. I want to leave you with this direct quote because it's just so, so powerful. Your presence on the mat is enough. Your effort is enough. You are enough. This routine isn't just about stretching your body. It's about practicing self-acceptance first thing in the morning. So we'll leave you with this one question to think about. What would change for you? What would your day feel like if the absolute best, most peaceful, and most empowering part of your day happened in the first 10 minutes?